Valeria is close to the metro with low Jasper County taxes and is a UDSA financing community. Only 11 minutes to Altoona. Newly updated 3-bed 2-bath on about 1/2 acre, 3 lots. Plenty of room for gardening or play space for kids' dogs. Lots of storage with attached single-car garage-sized outbuilding with electricity and additional metal shed. Private deck with peaceful view of farm fields. New HVAC, new water heater, new PEX plumbing. New dual flush toilets, updated septic system. New stainless steel appliances. Open concept living with breakfast bar, new flooring and paint throughout. First floor laundry. Drop zone entry. Master bedroom features ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Recessed LED lighting in living areas. Updated kitchen with gray cabinets.